Now we are go for the fourth point.
And now we're going to be discussing AP3, traffic light, AP4, fading light, tapos AP5, RGB light. Hello, my name is Orion Steven Manuel Danganan, and today I'll be introducing the parts needed for the Arduino Uno board na may kasamang breadboard. Kailangan natin 13 jumper cables, 5 LED ilaw, 6 na resistor, isang mini button, tapos isang USB cable.
Good day everyone. My name is Kevin Birupo. My project 3 traffic light. Procedure.
Good afternoon, sir. This is AP3, source code, Arduino Project Ray. Bali, ito po yung, 5 ilaw po yung nakalagay doon. Yung una is red light, nasa 12 po siya. Yellow light, nasa 11 po. Green equals po 10. Yung button po is nasa gitna, 9. Then, pedestrian light is red, nasa 8. Yung green po is nasa 7. Then, feed mode, kailangan po siya ilagay lahat po ng nasa int. Kailangan po nasa feed mode red para gumana. then yung button, kailangan rin po nakalagay, then void loop, yung sa button po is ayan, in state digital read button. If state high mil change time 5,000 equals to 5 seconds. Change light. Then nag void loop ulit. Yung unang iilaw po is yung green saka pedestrian light ng 5 seconds. Bali delay po siya ng 5,000. Then yung mag-off po siya ng 1 second, yung dalawang pinailaw natin, yung green saka red. Tapos, yun, delay 1,000. Mamay po siya ng 1 second. Then, yung pangalawa is, yung yellow light, iilaw po siya ng 3 seconds equals to 3,000. Then, digital light, low, mamay po siya ng 1 second. Then, iilaw na po yung pedestrian green, saka light red, yung stoplight. Iilaw po siya ng 5 seconds equals to 5,000. Then, mamatay po siya ng 1 second delay. Yun na po, sir. Thank you po. God bless.